is a bit of a follow-up to my previous video where I fitted a buzzer to the indicators. Yeah, but when I came to try it out, I couldn't hear it. I've got an LED warning light there as well. But the buzzer was under my seat, and although it sounded fine when I was trying it when the bike had stopped, couldn't hear a thing. Couldn't hear a thing when I tried it. I'll put a link to the video of me fitting it somewhere up here. I'm going to turn off here to see if we can hear it. So the indicators are on. The buzzer is now sounding. I can hear it. I don't suppose you can pick it up. Yeah, I can hear it. I suppose once you've done your turning, you're not going that fast, are you? You know? Yeah, I wonder if you could get a louder one though. Don't know, not sure what you look for. When you put search for any sort of buzzers, you just get the generic ones popping up. But yeah, like I said, it was under the seat. I haven't told you where I moved it to, have I? I've moved it to just behind the clock on the bracket of the screen. It's just there. Theory being it reflects off the screen and sort of, yeah, it's a bit technical. But it definitely works better there. I'll turn off left here. But at the lower speeds it definitely works fine. Yeah, I can hear that quite plainly. Like I say, I don't know if the mic's picking it up. I mean, what I'd also like to do, although I can see this LED, I can see it's angled right at my eyes, that is, so what I would like is some sort of little LED lamp that can attach to the top of the clock. Some little amber light or red light, just a small one, sort of that sort of size, you know. And I know you can get them, but I don't know whether it would run off the wires that go to that little LED. I would need to check the voltage. I wouldn't have thought that was 12 volt wire to the LED. It's more like 2 volt or something, which is probably got a resistor on it somewhere in that little black box. So yeah, I'm not sure how to do that yet. Or if I will do it, we'll have to see. If I find a light that looks nice and tidy and it'll fit there. Yeah, like I say, I only came out for a quick test. A quick test of the buzzer. But yeah, it's such a nice day. I might take the long route home. I'm not going to be travelling out any distance, just staying local. Buzzer. I remember coming round this way a few years back on the BMW, and I turned off one of these lanes and the track just got worse and worse. I mean, I should have turned round really, but I kept going. I kept going, and I ended up at some pheasant farm. You know what they breed them for the shoot. I thought I was never gonna get out, since it was a big heavy girl, the BMW was, and the track was getting muddy. I was slipping all over the place. I thought if I drop it down, I'm never going to pick it up on this wet ground. Yeah, it's a proper proper speed bump there. He threw me off. It's like riding a horse. Yeah, it's a proper nice day today. This road's a bit gravelly. And some nice big potholes in it as well. Can't remember where this brings you out. It doesn't, look. Well, we'll turn around then, shall we? That didn't go to plan, did it? See, it's a good job I'm not on the BMW now. I'd never turn around here. Oh, there's not much lock on the Guerrilla, so you got to do a few turns. Oh, there's that big speed bump again. That's well hidden. Well, it's a dead end down here. I think that'll just take me up to a farm there. It looks like I'm going to have to go back the way I came, I think. I'll have to check the map when I get back. I could have swore blind there was a through road there. Maybe I'm thinking of somewhere else. Yeah, I've decided to turn off because when we just started off, the road that I would have come back down on there was closed, so they'll probably divert you. Well, they will divert you, but I'm not quite sure where. Down this one. Oh, I know where I am now. Wet leaves, wet this, wet that. Lovely road. Bit of a skid on the gravel. And what we've got down here is what's called beach caves. Yeah. Beach caves. Many a party been had in there. Over the years. Yeah, it was used as a munitions dump during the war. Yeah, I'm not going in. It's all muddy and horrible. But it's not a natural cave. It was cut out to get the sandstone to build Wedgwood Hall. But yeah, and tell some stories, that place could. Well, like I said, it's just going to be a short video of a bit of a test of the relocation of the warning buzzer. And it's definitely better. I'm still not satisfied. I want a bigger light here, about an inch, and I would like the buzzer to be a little bit louder. But I mean, I can hear it. I can hear it. But yeah, got a fly in my eye now. So yeah, I think we're done. Head back home now. We'll have a brew. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.